Hi, my name is Stacey Sadie. I am the principal at Hollingsworth STEAM Academy, and I am here at our Closets for Good. This is our amazing closet donated by Zappos and Closets Las Vegas. We are so excited to have this for our families. They are always looking to us to help provide them a better atmosphere, something that they can look forward to each day. So sometimes those students come to us and they don't always have the clothes or the things that they need for school. Now our students can come in and they don't have to worry about that they're wearing the same clothes that they've worn for the last 4 days. We want them walking into the door of our school and not even thinking about anything else.
And that's it's the whole self-esteem. If you don't look good, you don't feel good, and then you don't want to represent yourself to your teacher or to your classmates. Sometimes it turns into discipline problems, but a lot of times, majority of the time, it turns into attendance